Okay, good morning, kindergarten again, or good afternoon. It's math time with Walter's Wonderful Web. And this is a first book of shapes by Tim Hopgood, and it is published by, let's see, who's allowing us to read this today? Not sure. We'll find out. Walter's Wonderful Web, published by Macmillan Children's Books in 2015. Thanks, Macmillan's Publishing, for letting us read this for Miss Parker's class during COVID quarantine 2020. Walter wished he could spin a perfect web just like his friends, but Walter's webs weren't perfect. They were wibbly wobbly. And when the wind blows, wibbly wobbly webs always blow away. But Walter was determined. So one morning he decided to start with something simple. Very carefully, he made a small web in the shape of a... Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Triangle. Whoosh went the wind, and it blew the web away. Walter started again. This time he made a bigger web in the shape of a... Square. Whoosh went the wind, and it blew the web away. Walter sighed and started again. This time he made a longer web in the shape of a rectangle. Whoosh went the wind, and it blew the web away. Walter sighed. Then he stretched his legs and made a taller web in the shape of a diamond. Whoosh, whoosh went the wind, and it blew the web away too. Perhaps my web should be more round, thought Walter. So he climbed up and down. He twisted and twirled. Would this be Walter's first perfect web? Nearly. It wasn't a perfect web, but it was an almost perfect circle, and it looked strong. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh went the wind. Poor Walter hit the ground with a bump. Walter was tired and upset. He felt like giving up. But as the sun went down, he thought about all the different shapes he made. All at once, he knew just what to do, so he took a deep breath and set to work. Whoosh went the wind, but it didn't stop Walter or his web, not this time. And as the stars came out, Walter's web shone in the moonlight. It was better than perfect. It was a truly wonderful web. I see circles. I see triangles. I see squares. I see rectangles and a diamond. That is a truly wonderful web. Now, these were the questions we were going to talk about. Right? Triangle, your turn. Rectangle, your turn. Circle, your turn. Diamond, your turn. Square, your turn. So how many sides does a triangle have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape is a diamond? How many sides does a diamond have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in third grade, they're going to tell you that these are quadrilaterals, which means four-sided figures. Which shape is a circle? Does a circle have any sides? I'll let you decide. Thanks for reading. Walter's Wonderful Web.